knowledge of life after life. The moment the connection cord to our earthly body is cut off, soul rises or falls in accordance with the laws of gravity. Every soul will be surrounded by such souls that have same nature. Detachment of soul from connection cord depends entirely on the nature of the individual human being. Ignorance of laws is no protection from punishment. He who transgresses the norms has to take the consequences. It is his fault if he has not troubled to acquire himself with the laws. When death takes place, the silver cord is cut off. The human body is left behind while the astral body moves on. The human body consisting of molecules with certain amount of space also houses astral body, which is precisely the same as the composition as the physical body. That is, it is also consists of molecules. Astral body has its molecules fewer and further between each other. Thus, it is possible for an astral body to fill into a flesh body in most intimate contact, and neither occupies space needed by the other. Astral bodies have molecules which are too widely dispersed for the average human sight to see it. Many animals can see it because animals see and hear on a different range of frequency than humans. Animals can see the astral body because it vibrates on a frequency which is in just within the receptivity of an animal sight. But with practice, it is possible for humans to extend the band of receptivity of their sight to whatever level they want. Between soul and flesh body, there is another body called the astral body. It comes very near to the earthly body in its consistency. You are neither the flesh body nor the astral body. Actually, you are a soul. Since the astral sphere is very near to the earthly, the departing soul who gradually begins to change over to the other world is at first still able to include both sides in his perceptions. Thus, he can recognize the thoughts whose vibrations, that is, when they have become so concentrated that they are just about to be uttered, lie within this range shortly before they are formed into words, and also still see and hear earthly. But he can no longer make himself noticeable. The instrument for earthly communication is the earthly body, from which the dying person has already slipped out, which at this stage he can no longer move. The astral body is generally invisible to our material eyes. The words he forms with it remain in a sphere of vibration to which our sense organs just as unreceptive as they are to the radio waves. Nor does our earthly body respond to the touch of the astral body of the departed soul. This state of being no longer heard, no longer seen, no longer touched is a painfully distressing experience for one who passes over without knowing about these processes. He sees his relatives crying and would like to call out to them, "What is the matter with you? I am still alive."